Welcome to Sweet Savant. It's Demetra, your personal chef, and today we are doing the Fall Soup Challenge. And I've got a good one for you. It is my chicken tortilla soup. Can you see it there? I'll give you a better shot. Chicken tortilla soup. Oh man, it's so good, full of chicken tenders, corn, avocado, got some poblano peppers and onions, all ready in about 20 minutes. I think you're really gonna like this one. So let me show you what I did. But first, I need to thank a few people. Hang on now. This is the Soups and Stews Comfort Foods for Fall 2018. It is hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan, Tashi at Simply Tashi, Mickey at Live, Love, Laugh, and Pray. I will put a link in the description box to all of their channels as well as the playlist so you can take a look at all the delicious soups and stews that are added to this playlist. This is going to be a good one. Ooh, share it so all your friends can make delicious soups and stews for you this fall. Let's get into it. Here are our ingredients for our chicken tortilla soup. We have chicken broth, an onion, a poblano pepper, a few cloves of garlic, diced tomatoes, white beans, can of corn, a pound of chicken tenderloins, some spices. We've got smoked paprika, garlic, chili powder, pepper, and salt, and a little canola oil. We also have some tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and this is a blend of like jack cheese, cheddar, some avocados, and some lime. We'll take our seasonings, and the amounts will be in the description box. So just check that for all the ingredients and the full recipe. So we'll season up the chicken tenderloins. Make sure they're completely coated with our seasonings. So our pan is on and it's nice and hot. I'll add in a tablespoon of canola oil and the seasoned chicken tenders. And let them brown on both sides. While that's cooking, I'm going to chop up my onion. I'm actually going to just use a half an onion, my poblano pepper, and the garlic cloves. Now we have our onions and pepper chopped up. We can add that in. And then we'll add in our chopped garlic. Stir that around. And let those onions and peppers and garlic get nice and soft. Now we can add in our chicken broth, can of tomatoes, can of corn, and I'm going to leave the juices in because that does add a little corny flavor to it. And then a can of white beans. This is cannellini beans, but you can use, if you find pinto beans, that would be even better. And I did drain and rinse the pinto beans. And then we're gonna let that simmer. It's gonna be so good. And then as it simmers, I just take my wooden spoon and break up the chicken tenderloins into spoon-sized chunks. While that's coming up to a simmer, I'm gonna crush up a handful of tortilla chips and let that simmer with the soup, and that's going to help thicken our soup as well as add a layer of flavor. Our soup is just about done, and we're going to dish it up and then put our toppings on it. It's going to be a good dinner one pot and so quick and easy to make. Smells so good. Dinner is ready. Let's go ahead and dish it up. And that is full of chicken breast, corn, poblano pepper, beans. Whew, so many good things. Onion, garlic. Dish it up into our bowl, and then you can top it however you like. I like to add some tortilla chips to the top. And you can let everybody build their own soup. That way the tortillas don't get soggy while it's sitting waiting for you to make everybody's soup. You don't need to do that. And then everybody can add whatever they like. It's less work for you. Some cheese. Some jalapeno would be good on that, of course. A little avocado diced on top. Squeeze of fresh lime. That's a good dinner. And of course, you know, as you're cooking, you give it a little taste to see if you need to add salt during cooking, but the tortilla chips have salt on them already, so you're adding that in. That's gonna add salt. We season our chicken up good too, so that had lots of salt in it. And everything has sodium, your chicken broth, your tomatoes, the beans, the corn. So you wanna watch how much salt you add into it, because that can get to be a problem too. Let's give that a taste. That's real good. That is really, really good. I highly recommend it. So that is my fall soup recipe, chicken tortilla soup. That is our finished soup. I really hope you like this one as much as I do. Please take a look at all the other recipes in this playlist. I'm sure it's going to be full of deliciousness for your fall. You're going to be nice and warm and cozy with all this comfort food. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and have a delicious day.